you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
What are you going to make?
Bread.
What?
Banana bread.
Say it louder, please.
Banana bread.
Okay, banana bread. Do you like banana bread?
Yes.
Wait, so first we are going to mash the banana. Are you ready? Are you ready? Wait. Okay, so this one here, and we're going to be using this banana bread mix from the store. All right, this one. Okay, so first, what do we do first?
Mash banana.
Mash the banana. Okay, you peel this one and I'll peel this one. Nathan, you want to join us? Nathan wants to join us. You're too short. No, peel from here. From here.
What?
Look at how I peel my own. Open like this.
Yeah. I can't peel it.
Why can't you peel it?
I can't.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. What is this? What is this? What is this?
You.
Bring fork.
What? What? Why give me
Huh?
What I got down for the chair.
Mash, 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 mash.
I like mashing. Mash, mash, mash.
You're supposed to use banana that is very ripe. So you turn it. Okay, bring the egg. Can you crack?
Quack, 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 quack.
Another one.
I think I have one.
Close your mouth now. What are you mixing with your mouth? Here, pour some milk. More. Full it. A little more. Pour. That's enough.
Yeah.
Yay! Wait, let's use this one. It's like you haven't cut it. You need to cut it from here. Wow, you did it. Mix, 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 mix.
I want to put first.
Hmm?
What do you put?
You put this thing now.
Oh, what you put something?
It's too thick. Should we add some milk?
No. But I
You
didn't
sure?
put milk.
Yeah, but it's too thick. We should add some milk.
We're making banana bread.
Yay. Mix, 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 mix.
I mean
Forgot the
water.
Butter. Here. I've already made.
Oh.
Here, mix. Hmm? You know where the banana, the loaf pan is? Grease the pan. Quick. Again. Brush by the sides.
Mommy.
So you brush by the side like this. Okay, like this. So that the butter will not stick to the pan. Okay.
Take it here.
You are going to pour it in here. Down. Go away from there. Okay.
It's
You ready?
no. Yes.
Wait. Yeah, pour first. Keep the spatula down. Yeah. Pour.
Yes. Hey!
Wait, move your hand. Chef Sir!
Yeah!
See your
Bobby,
Eh? What? What did you call yourself?
my daughter.
You're a doctor?
No,
What did you say?
I'm not a daughter.
So what are you doing?
My eat food.
Yeah.
Food.
Should we add some nuts?
Yeah.
Can you bring walnuts from the pantry?
What's the nuts?
It's there.
Yeah. Mama.
Going to add walnuts. No, it's open. It's already open. Add some. Take some.
Mama.
Just put it on it. Okay, you need to cut
Mama.
this one.
What? Why not? You guys want to eat it?
That's enough. I don't want it to be too much. Why did you put your hand inside? Why did you put your hand inside? What next do we need to do? Where do we put the banana bread now?
In the oven.
Good boy, in the oven. Can you put it or you pour it away? Wait. I don't trust you.